We're here at the 6th Consortium meeting at the EU-funded GEN4OLIVE Project, hosted by Elga Dimitra. And Georgios Kabouris organized kindly for us a visit to one of the most innovative olive processing companies, Terra Creta. I'm here joined by Antonios Marakakis, and we want to talk briefly about the innovation that you do and how you work with the farmers. So my first question to you, how many olive trees are there on Crete?
First of all, welcome to our facilities.
Thank you.
It's about 30 million of olive trees all over Crete.
So every family has olive trees here, right?
Every family has olive trees, and every family produce their olive oil.
Fantastic.
For self-consumption.
But you also do export a lot, especially
of course.
to Germany, I learned.
Yeah, of course. Our best client are Germany, our German consumers.
Right.
We have started a lot of years ago the collaboration with the German market, and it's still our biggest client.
Okay, thank you. So when you work with your farmers here, you have contract farmers here.
Yep.
So how is that relationship? So you pay them, but I also learned you have certain schemes to make sure they have enough money when the harvest is not ideal. Can you just elaborate a little bit?
We have many tools for the collaboration with the farmers. First of all, from these years, we have established Akademia Elias in Greeks, or Olive Academy in English. Olive Academy is an organization that we are taking the farmers, we educate them through the staff of Elgo Dimitra, in charge of Kubouris Yorgos.
Yeah.
And the other part is the advice in the cultivation. So we have the education, learn theoretically what to do on their fields, and then we are going to the practical parts to take that advices and put them on the field.
That sounds great. And the farmers, they're happy to work with you, obviously. I mean, they get a lot of information.
Till now they're happy.
That's great. And when you're in your harvesting season from, I don't know, December to...
From 1st of October.
Okay.
To the late January, start of the February.
Right. So the quality of the olive oil and the type and the flavor, I guess, they vary throughout the harvest season.
A lot.
So how do you control quality?
We make big batches.
Yeah.
For every period of time that we have a little bit the same organoleptic characteristic of olive oil, and in the end we blend between them and make large batches, equal qualities. So we are not very, we are very stable in our quality by that way.
Okay, excellent. And I also learned when we visited your site that you have different ways of processing the olive, so you can produce a good quality and a superior quality.
Yeah.
So how do you do that?
We have a large olive mill factory. We have two production lines, different technology. The first one is the regular for continuous extraction. So we produce there a very good olive oil, stable. And the other one is, I would call it our Ferrari. And there we are producing organic and the premium products from that line. It's more high-tech, I would say. You can regulate temperature in all steps. You can play with different type of crushing because we have two type of crushing in the same line. So we have find a recipe, I would say a recipe, for each product that we bottled. Before we bottle it, to extract it properly every time.
Fantastic. And I also learned that you are one of the most sustainable companies here, so you're reusing some of the byproducts that you have, and you issued, I learned, the first sustainability report recently.
Yeah, I think we are in the first company, olive company in Greece that we have published sustainability reports. I hope others follow our steps has to be more sustainable. In the olive mill, all the waste, like the water is using to water our plants here. Mm-hmm. So we are not wasting
the water.
The wet pomace, the liquid pomace that we extract from the decanter, move to another factory. It's not owned by Marakakis, his partner. They take it out olive pomace and give us back pomace like pellets to use it as fuel to our heaters. So we heat up all the facilities from the stone of the olive fruit.
Fantastic.
We have put solar panels in both buildings of the olive mill and then the bottling unit. So we have minimized the needs of electricity outside our factories. And I forgot to tell you about the leaves. It's very important because we remove the leaves from the procedure so the farmers can take it for free to feed their animals.
Wow, that's very impressive. Thank you very much, Antonios.
You're welcome.
It was great having you here and great talking with you. I think Terra Creta is a fantastic company, and
thank you very much.
I wish you all success for the future.
Thank you very much.